Okay, I'm going to show you how to add some private examination items to the dispensing form. I'm going to go into System Admin and Stock and Edit Stock. Okay, so on this practice, the eye clinics, go into Examination, Stock Type, and Stock Group. Currently got two in here, eye test or contact lens exam. I'm going to go into eye test. Okay, so there's 0 items currently in this stock group. However, the stock group itself, if I edit eye test here, it's showing the default price for this stock group is £20. So at the moment, because there's no items in the stock group, it's defaulting to the default price for that stock group eye test, which is why if I go into dispensing, under private examination, I've got an eye test at £20. So what I'm going to do now is go back into the stock and edit the stock group eye test. Well, first of all, actually, I'm going to add a stock item. So I'm going to add an eye test item. Add stock. You just repeat the item in the detail section. Eye test. The detail section is what actually appears on the invoice when it comes through to the patient. And price is for this sight test is £25. Stock level I'm going to set to 10,000 so that we never run out of those, and click on add. So now if I go to dispensing, under private examination, I've got an eye test here at £25. That original eye test, which was showing at £20, is now gone. That was the default for the stock group. Just to keep things tidy, what I'm going to do is go back into stock admin, edit stock. For the eye test group, I'm just going to edit eye test, and I'm going to remove that default price from there because it can cause confusion later on if you forget it's there. Update that. Okay, and then I know that for this particular system I need to add some extra stock, so I'm going to go into exactly the same, add stock, and this time I'm going to add a contact lens fitting. Same detail. That's £25, stock level 10,000. That. Okay, I can also add stock by going to rather than edit stock, if I go straight into add stock item. Similar, very similar, just need to select the stock group again, and I need to add this particular system, contact lens aftercare. In this case, that's £15. Again, stock level 10,000. Add. And I must select the stock group and stock type. There we go. So now if I go back into dispensing, private examination. Okay, so we now have eye test, contact lens aftercare, eye test, contact lens fitting, eye test, eye test. So you'll notice this first eye test, that's the name of the stock group. So if I wanted to tidy this up a bit, I could change that to stock group name. I'll do that now. If I go into system admin, stock, edit stock. So stock group eye test. If I edit eye test, I'll change the stock group name to examination. Change it to private. Change it from NHS. Update that. Whilst I'm here, just click on back. What I'm going to do is change that stock group to the contact lens one. I'm actually going to get rid of this one by going in here, ticking the delete button and updating it. So now if I go into dispensing, Under private examination, I've got private examination